Thank you. This is where I club. I eat my food also. Wow! Nice. Thank you. Give me water, please.
Hello.
Hey, come here. What is this? What? No, why will you give me food that is not cold?
Are you sure about this?
What do you mean I'm sure?
Sir, in prestige, we don't give you cold food. We give you hot food. So when I mean do now, I may be the chef now, only chef with the chef spanner. I know when the prestige, we serve people good food. Even with the club here, we do everything here we want from prestige. I don't think give you cold food now, guy. I'm very sure of what I'm saying.
Am I talking about clubbing in prestige? I'm talking about food in prestige. I know you people club in prestige and it's very nice, I know. But this food I'm eating now is not hot.
Oh God, this food hot now.
Okay, I'm lying, okay? I test it.
Huh?
Test this food now and see. Touch it and see.
Okay. This food is hot. Let me be sure of what I'm saying. No, I'm very sure of what I'm saying. This food, I want one.
Jesus! Jesus! Hey! Jesus!
Okay, this food is hot though. But let me see. Because as at the shop, one plate they cool, one side they hot. So.
Hey! Are you okay? What are you going to do?
Okay, wait though, make I just do this because he tell me say you go report me to the manager. He said you go report me to the manager.
I'm going to report you in fact now. Why will you dip your hand inside my food?
You tell me you say make I test them, okay? What do you do I do here now? You say make I test them. I say make I dey very sure of what I'm saying because I dey very sure with this food I want man. I want man. Even the one made it for my belly, we fit expire. But let me be sure of what I'm saying because I dey very sure. We can't do something here in this dish.
Who is your manager? I want to see your manager right now. I want to see the manager of Prestige Club right now. Who is the manager? Manager! I want to see your manager right now. No.
What is going on here?
Please, are you the manager of Prestige?
Yes, sir.
Jesus!
So you're the manager of Prestige Club, are you? Yes. Thank you for coming. Sir, this young man here served me food that is not hot. And I asked him to check if it is hot or not. Do you know that this young man dipped his hand inside my food and he's almost finishing my food?
Is that what this customer said? Is it true, sir? See, shut up! I'm talking to you. So why must you serve cold food? Don't you know this man? We never serve cold food on which you know now. He said I should test it. Now what did they do here? If it is that they lie, now this food is not cold. I test them. Test them. See what they talk. Sir, please, we don't do that. We don't serve cold food here. But this thing looks cold though. Spanner. If I test this food and I find out that this food is cold, I'm going to sack you. Test them. See what they talk. Please, sir. Please, I beg you. Please. Okay? We'll set it. Hey! Just test it. You see what I'm saying? This food is not cold.
Manager!
Spanner, if I test this food and this food is cold, hey! This is the second time I'm warning you. Just today, if I test this food and this food is cold, I'm going to sack you here. Just I need this food.
Hey!
Come on, leave my way, sir.
Hello, manager.
Sir.
Jesus! Jesus!
You don't want me to very well now. That's the particles. This side? Yes. So I know the problem.
Hey! Hey!
Even the place you remove this meat, now see. Sir, the problem is maybe I have malaria. Yes. Don't take your BP. This food is very, very hot.
Is this how you people do in Prestige? I know you people don't do this kind of thing in Prestige. This is where we club every Wednesday,
Yes.
Friday, Saturday, even Sundays. You even manager, you're even eating my food.
I know you. Sir, please, allow me to do my job. Huh? Sir, allow me to do my job. In fact, how much is this food? 8,500. Okay, give him the 8,500. That is your bill. Your payment.
I was not going to pay anything.
You must pay.
Okay, I'm not paying anything.
Okay, you must pay.
I'm not paying anything. Don't hear me. I'm not paying anything. Don't hear me. Oh. What are you trying to do?
Huh?
What are you trying to do?
You must pay, okay?
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? I'm not paying for you. I'm not paying for you. I'm not paying for you. Why will you eat it?
I'll give you the
Jesus!
Blaster! Tell her this man to go from this place to this man pay food. Pay us our money. Pay us our money, okay?
Hey!
Yes. How can you say innocent man? I know how many years. This man.
How are you eating my food?
You told me to test it, right? You told him to test it, and he tested it. So, stop testing. It's okay now. Stop smoking.